Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to choose a winner for my monthly giveaway for my Creating with Jovi design team projects. And this project being given away is the Haunted Mansion mini album that I featured in August. And yeah, so let's just get started here. All the rules are in the giveaway video, so if you have any questions, you can always go back there or you can leave me a comment down below. But I am going to paste in the URL. Okay, we're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to have one winner. I'm leaving the duration at 6 seconds so we can rotate through all of the names enough times. Solve the problem. Let's get our comments. We have 24 unique comments. And I just want to wish everybody a good luck. I'm going to press start and we're going to find out who the winner is. So the winner of the Haunted Mansion mini album is Cheryl Santoro. Congratulations, Cheryl. And Cheryl says in her comment, wow, this is an amazing album. You use this collection to its maximum potential. I love the gold accents also. Just stunning. So thank you so much, Cheryl. I appreciate your comment and the comments of all of the other people who watch the video. I really do appreciate all of my viewers and my subscribers and frequent commenters. I just really appreciate and enjoy reading your comments. And yeah, so Cheryl, if you will get in touch with me by Thursday of this week, which would be September 11, I will try to get the album out to you in the mail. I am actually going on vacation for a number of days, so if I don't get it out before I leave, it's going to have to wait till later in the month. But yeah, I may have your address, but please leave me a comment here and do get in touch with me on Instagram or email and let me know that you know you're my winner. So I did want to remind everybody that I will be having another giveaway during the month of September for another Creating with Jovi project. And this project is going to be posted live on, I'm sorry, not live. This project is going to be posted on Friday the 12th, and it will be another giveaway video. I don't think I'm going to have any other projects this month because of my vacation. And the paper collection that I used is the Desmodus Romantic Vampire Collection, and it is part of Jovi's month of September collab, and it's called Desmodus Romantic Vampire Collab. And she has me as well as, I don't know, 14 or 15 other crafters creating projects and releasing every day for the first 21, 22 days of the month. Maybe a couple of days later into the month, I'm not really sure. But anyway, all the projects that have been posted so far are so awesome. And I hope you guys will catch my video on Friday and leave me a comment because you know if you follow all the rules, you'll be in the drawing to win that project, and that would be during the first week of October. So once again, thank you everybody. Thank you, Cheryl. And don't forget to let me know that you saw that you're my winner. And I will catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.